Did you know that at every single second you are saying an affirmation? In fact, you have 65,000 thoughts in a day. 95% of them are subconscious. So there's 65,000 affirmations in a day, and most of those are subconscious. Now think about this. Psychologists say approximately 70% of those thoughts are negative and redundant. They've been programmed into us by other people. And so in this video, I want to share with you the most powerful affirmation, the most powerful law of attraction affirmation to attract abundance and financial freedom and all the great things that life has to offer into your life. This is one that my beautiful wife started using a few years ago, and it changed our life, and I can't wait to share it with you. So one night I'm on a walk with my wife, and she goes, "I'm so grateful that the universe is conspiring to grow my business." She had just started her art career, and she, had just went from, she was in debt because nothing was working out in my life yet, so she went into debt on my behalf. She was working at a clothing store and felt like she was being underpaid and undervalued. Finally branches off on her own, starts her own art business, and, so to speak, the money has not come yet, baby. So she starts saying this. "I'm so grateful the universe conspires to grow my business. I'm so grateful the universe conspires to make me rich." Comment that down below. The universe conspires to make me rich. Comment that down below. The universe conspires to make me rich. Or if you have a business, you could say that. The universe conspires to help me grow my business. Comment that down below. Now, this isn't just a word. It's not just a word that you're saying here, though. It's an entire mindset and perception shift. And the perception shift is going from one where you live, you die, you wake up, you're this physical being here in a body, and hopefully you get lucky and some money maybe comes your way and you get some options and freedom in life. Yeah, that'd be great. No one likes that idea. Because it's relying on, I really hope things work out. Now, the other one is to just assume that the universe is conspiring for you to be rich, happy, healthy, successful, for you to have the financial freedom in life, for you to experience whatever you want. All money is options. So for you to have the freedom of choice to pick the options that you want in life, so to speak. And when you go from, well, the rich people control the money, and I don't know if it'll work out, am I not smart enough? And those are called patterns, right? Those are patterns of thought that we've inherited for a very long time. I was just talking with a man today, and I was saying to him that I think that the biggest thought patterns that we have are that we don't think that we're good enough, smart enough, capable of making money. And we don't think that we can do it, and therefore it affects all areas of our life. You can't provide for your children the way you want. You certainly can't get all the health insurance you want. You certainly can't get life insurance. And we're just talking about basic things. All of these basic things. Then you move into the things that you might actually want to experience out of life. Certain places you want to live, car you want to drive, money you want to donate, ideas you want to start, experiences you want to have, places you want to go, where you want to live. And it can get exhausting if you think that money is the real value. Money is not the real value. What is money? First of all, it's absolutely meaningless because we took it off the gold standard. It's backed by the United States dollar is backed by nothing. It's backed by the idea of the petrodollar that the vast majority of places are trading petroleum in United States dollar. That's really the only thing that backs the dollar in the world. That's about it. So then you say, well, what's this world made of? Energy. You mean everything in this world's made of energy? Yeah, science shows us that. So money is just energy? Yeah, it's just energy, that's all it is. Okay, so if everything is energy, I'm energy and money's energy, and my thoughts are energy, can't I get my mind focused on what I want and then attract that energy into my life? Yeah. Well, why isn't anyone doing it? Well, because nobody told us that our thoughts matter, that our thoughts have power over our bank account. When I did not have any money, and I was always stressed about money more than anything, all my thoughts about money were I was focused on the fact that I didn't have any of it. When Ashley and she was in debt because there was nothing coming in, and it was at the point where I was like, should I give up on this? Is this ever going to work out? I realize now my energy, my thoughts were always focused on the fact that money wasn't there. All of a sudden, I took a deliberate intention to start hypnotizing myself every single day and training my energy to be in financial abundance rather than scarcity. I created a success hypnosis. You can use it for free right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com is free to use. I never would imagine that well over 300,000 people from all over the world would use it in under 24 months, but that's exactly what happened. It's free to use every day. I get an amazing success story, and I'd love for you to use it and then let me know what amazing things happen in your life as a result of it. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. So I start listening to this hypnosis, and I start doing all these things like that. All of a sudden, I realize I'm only focused on the fact that money isn't coming. Then I make this shift, right? And my shift started to be back to this original affirmation this video was about, which was, the universe conspires to make me rich. Can you say that with a straight face? Can you say that without a voice in your head saying, BS? Or all the old ideas that you used to think about money, or how you weren't good enough to attract it or come up with a great idea, or your business to take off. Whatever the patterns stored in your subconscious with respect to money that were blocking it, what if they just didn't exist anymore? And all of a sudden, you realize that everything is energy, and this universal energy is something that you are connected to as well. And so is money, and so is everything else in this physical game. Because this physical game is just an energy game. And now, instead of being like, I'm not good enough, and where is it, and it's not going to work out, and I have this problem, and yeah, this is about what I can expect, and here's my... No. What about instead, it's the universe conspiring to make me rich. Why? Because I'm a divine being. Money flows in my life quickly and easily. The universe conspires to help me grow my business. The universe conspires to help me grow my business. If you say that with energy out loud like 20 times, you feel so much better. Like, if some people, they watch my videos, affirmations, that's a waste of time. Say out loud, the universe conspires to make me rich, or the universe conspires to grow my business, or something like that. Say that. Say it 20 times out loud and tell me you don't feel better after you do that. The universe conspires to make me rich. Comment that down below. The universe conspires to make me rich. Comment that down below. The universe conspires to make me rich. Or comment down below. The universe conspires to help me grow my business. The universe conspires to help me grow my business. Now, if everything is energy, what are your emotions that change when you say that 20 times with energy and you feel it? Well, your emotions are just your energy in motion. It's you being aware of your own energy. So if all of a sudden you say this thing and it starts shifting your energy field, all of a sudden your energy field starts going to this level of abundance rather than all the way down here, it starts going up here. What else is here? More money, more freedom, more options, attracting different types of relationships. Ones that lead to more prosperity and are beneficial to all. New business opportunities. New ideas that you never would have thought of, and they come to you when you're in the shower. When your energy is up here. that the universe conspires to help me grow my business. The universe conspires to make me rich. All of a sudden, all these other ideas that match that energy start plopping into your mind, and then boom, one idea comes, or you meet one right person, or one thing happens, or as soon as you walk out of the house, you get a phone call out of nowhere, and oh my God, the big break happened. But it doesn't happen when you go like this. Well, yeah, it's not that easy, and the world would be easier if we didn't have it, and it's not going to come when you do that. It's just not. So what I'm inviting you to do is start saying that to yourself, and more specifically, start looking at the world that way. Instead of the universe is keeping me poor, God, why are you doing this to me? Or God actually will give me a favorable afterlife if I'm poor for this life because it's bad to have money. And so, or the rich, it's the rich people, and I don't have the right education, and they should pay me more. When we drop out of that, it's my mom's fault, it's my dad's fault, it's the education's fault, and we just totally get off that wavelength of, I don't have money. Just get off that wavelength to, I have money. Even if you don't have it, you're going to have it in consciousness before you can have it in your life. In the Bible, it even says that. To those that have, more will be given. You have to have it in consciousness before you have it in your life. To those that do not have, even that which they have will be taken away from me. Be taken away from you. Be taken away from them. Heck, I didn't grow up reading the Bible, but in hindsight, that passage right there, Bible's teaching some very important mathematics, money multipliers. To those that have, more will be given. When you are in the consciousness of the universe working on your behalf, focusing on abundance, focusing on prosperity, you seem to attract more of it. Why? Because like energy attracts like energy. Like energy attracts like energy, baby! And that's the exciting thing about life. I just moved to a new house, and it's multiple acres, so now I can yell a little bit more at nighttime without worrying at all. It's exciting. I always wanted a house with multiple acres. But when I started focusing on abundance in my life, eventually it led me down the right path, and it's going to do the same thing for you. So I'm excited to hear about all these great things that unfold in your life using it. You're a divine being. Therefore, you already have within you everything you need to attract the options that you want. So then what's the point in money for money? If I had $1 million in paper sitting on the carpet over there. What is it? It's just paper. That's not the real value. It's the options. And you're good enough for the options. The options to go to that country you want to go to help your mom out, to help your dad out, to help your friend out, to employ more people, to donate to your charity, live where you want to live, drive the car you want to live, pay for all of your bills and everything that you and your family want without worrying about it anymore. Those are the things that you deserve, that are part of your birthright of being a human being and incarnating here in third dimension. You're worth all of those experiences. And money's just a convenient way for us to exchange our energy for these experiences, and you're good enough for that. And you're probably a lot smarter than you think you are. And that's a big thing. People think they're not smart enough to make you money. Henry Ford, I think, has Ford Motors. I think he had like a third grade education or something like that. Dude, you could go find 400 of the richest people in the world, and you'll hear time and time again about low levels of formal education. And not that that's a measure of intelligence or lack of intelligence, but a lot of people, even if they go to Harvard, and instead of being like, oh yeah, I went to Harvard, they're like, yeah, but I got B's and he got A's. So it's like we're always looking at it, and we're defining our intelligence based off of grading systems we used to get, what level of education you have, are you good with numbers? None of that matters. None of it really matters that much. What matters, all of that stuff can and is important at times, and maybe it will be very important for you, or it is going to be very important for you. But on top of all of that, the number one is realize that this universe is friendly. You're good enough, you're smart enough, and money is just energy, and it will come to you when you call, because you're going to start building a mindset of prosperity. The right business idea will come to you. The right network and relationship will present itself to you out of nowhere. The door will open. You'll get the phone call. You'll get the email. It will happen when your consciousness is up here. So comment down below, the universe conspires to make me rich. Have an absolutely beautiful day, and start go on a walk today while you drive your car today and be like, the universe is conspiring to make me rich. This universe is set up so that I experience the ultimate happiness and joy and freedom that I want in life. Whatever that is to you, that's what the universe wants for you, and that's why you're here, in part. Isn't that exciting? So right there down below is jakeshypnosis.com. Right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's free to use. Go there right now and use that to hypnotize your mind for success, to attract it into your life. Erase all of society's limiting beliefs, all of those. Use it to erase all the past and all the blocks of success, and hypnotize yourself for success. So it's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below. And you can use that for free. Use it every single day, though. jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you're already subscribed, just make sure you actually hit that bell notification. Hey, if you watch this video all the way through, truly from the bottom of my heart, I love you. I appreciate you. I'm really honored that you have watched this video all the way through. And thank you. Thanks for stumbling on my YouTube channel, or if you've been subscribed for a long time, or you use my hypnosis, or you purchased some of my courses, or maybe we even met in person. Thank you for watching. So, yeah, have an absolutely beautiful day, and I will see you on the next video.